Have you ever wondered if bread fits into a diabetic diet? Many people love bread, but concerns arise for those managing diabetes. Today, we explore smart swaps for bread that are both tasty and healthy. First, let's understand why bread can be an issue. Traditional bread has high carbohydrates. This can spike blood sugar levels. But don't worry. There are alternatives that can satisfy your cravings. Let's dive into some smart swaps. Start with whole grain bread. It's richer in fiber. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar. A great choice. Next, try sprouted grain bread. It's made from whole grains that have germinated. This process boosts nutrients and lowers glycemic index. It's a better option for diabetics. Another excellent swap is cloud bread. This low-carb alternative uses eggs and cream cheese. It's light and fluffy. Plus, it's easy to make at home. Do you enjoy wraps? Replace regular tortillas with lettuce wraps. This keeps your meal crunchy and fresh. Consider cauliflower bread as well. It's nutritious and gluten-free. You can use it for pizzas or sandwiches. But what about sweet options? Opt for almond flour bread. It's low in carbs and has healthy fats. Perfect for a light breakfast. Remember to portion your servings. Even healthier options should be eaten in moderation. Keep track of your carbohydrate intake throughout the day. Now, let's use an example. If you're making a sandwich, choose whole grain bread. Load it up with plenty of veggies and lean protein. This makes for a balanced meal without spiking sugar. In summary, bread doesn't have to be off limits for diabetics. Whole grain, sprouted, cloud bread, lettuce wraps, and cauliflower bread are smart swaps. Each option provides flavor without compromising health. Want to learn more diabetic-friendly recipes? Subscribe for our latest videos and tips. Let's make healthy eating fun together.